This guy's a chainsaw. Oh my gosh, this guy's gonna go cut some bamboo. Oh my god! Oh my god, there are no English subtitles.
现在位置
Oh, good job.
boom.
This place is called Sito, which I think loosely translates to West Head. This place is known for tons of bamboo, and fun fact, this is the spot where Eric's parents went on their honeymoon like nearly 30 years ago. Last night we ate stir-fried bamboo, fried bamboo, bamboo rice, bamboo shrimp. You can make a bamboo dog, cat, horse. Ooh, look, a baby bamboo. Looks really sharp, but it's actually really soft. Bye-bye. The path is really nice, but they really blockaded off all of the areas where you can possibly get into the bamboo forest with other pieces of bamboo. You know that scene in Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon when they're like jumping off of bamboo in the middle of the forest and like fighting each other? Eric kind of wants to get that shot, and he is making his way through the bamboo forest.
I broke all these branches so you could just walk in.
Oh, so easy. Not sure how to get over there. Ow! Oh my god. That's very amusing, don't you? Laughing at me over there. How do you know this isn't poison ivy?
I don't. I feel like I'm in Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, walking on bamboo.